Hi guys, welcome to PrintRite, and today in this video we are going to show how to assemble the 4x2 heavy duty screen printing machine and how to operate that machine. He's Sagar. He's going to show how to do the process and how to operate the machine. This is the pallet. So before putting in the bar, we have to loosen it up the clamp knot both the side. Now just put inside it. Then again tighten it up in the downside and also in the sidewise. Tight it properly so that the palette will not sag while printing. This is almost done. Yeah, you can see it. It's fully got adjusted. And this is the board, carton board we are taking. This is actually, we are putting it for off contact adjustment. So while printing, the screen should not be same height with the palette. It should be little bit heighted from the palette. For that reason, we are using off contact adjustment. So this is the off contact knot. You have to adjust the off contact knot there. It's done. You have to do in the same way for all the arms. Just remember, while printing, you should have to adjust the off contact. For that, you can use any board, like this is carton board we are using here. Like it should be little bit heighted from the palette. So like that, you adjust all the four arms. And check it properly before putting the frame. Always remember you have to adjust the off contact before printing. This is the aluminum frame. So we are putting the frame in the arm. Before putting, you have to loosen it up the screw. Then again tighten it up. Check it properly. You can see the off contact there in the screen. Yeah, the screen is ready for printing now. So do check before printing all the off contact so that you will get a good quality printing and it will be smooth. So thanks for watching our videos, and for more videos please log on to our website www.printrite.com, and links and description are given below. Do check. Have a great day. Thank you.